Linear regression is the simplest machine learning model and is the foundation for understanding more sophisticated models. Suppose we have a bunch of data points. These data points reflect the relationship between square footage and house price. The square footage of a house is on the x-axis. This is our independent variable. From there, we have the sale price of the houses on the y-axis. This is our dependent variable. What does this mean? This means we will use square footage to predict what a house will sell for. Now in practice, building models will use many features, like the number of bedrooms and the number of bathrooms, in addition to the square footage, in order to make accurate predictions. But for simplicity's sake, we will use one variable, square footage. So what does a model look like? A model is just a line on a graph, saying what value will be predicted given some input. For example, at 2,300 square feet, the model predicts a house value of $580,000. If we look at the actual data point present at 2,300 square feet, we see this corresponds to a value of about $760,000. The difference between the actual value and the predicted value is what we call error. Error can be calculated in many ways, but I'll save our discussion on error for a different video. What is important to understand in this video regarding error is that the line of best fit is simply the line that will produce the smallest amount of error. Thus, if you look at this plot and all of the error illustrated as pink lines, we could not adjust our model, that being the yellow line, in any way to produce a smaller amount of error. As the name so obviously implies, it is the line that best fits our data. For now, let's talk about the shortcomings of linear regression with some visual assistance. The first major problem with linear regression is it does not handle outliers well. Consider this regression line that we have seen throughout the video. There are no outliers in the observed data, thus our line of best fit looks good. However, when an outlier is present, notice a significant shift in our line of best fit. That outlier is pulling the regression line significantly, probably much more than we would like. It's easy to see how much one data point can alter the entire model and begin to lose the larger trend. The second and most obvious flaw of linear regression is that linear regression can only model linearity. Yes, for this set of data points, linear regression is a useful tool. However, if our data looked more like this, the regression line would not work. It is actually much more common to see data that takes on nonlinear patterns, and for nonlinear patterns, we need a different algorithm. For the sake of understanding, let's see what linear regression would produce in this scenario. This is the line of best fit for this plot. Obviously, this is not very useful. We cannot get good predictions out of it. What we need is a model that looks more like this. But again, this is not possible with linear regression. Despite the limited applications of linear regression, it is still a useful model and the foundation of understanding machine learning. I'm sure one of the pressing questions you have is, well, how do we know what the line of best fit should look like? How do we get from a plot of data points to this fitted model? That is an important question. We're going to work up to that in the coming videos.